Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, no Install.wim file in Windows 11 ISO. Here's why, how to fix it. Copy Install.esd file to C drive. Open command prompt with administrative privileges. Run command in description. Find your Windows edition. In my case Windows 11 Pro, index number is 6. Change index number. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.